Welcome back to another day of Food for the Soul, baby. Today, I'm going to talk about something that we all need to know about, and that's the legal liabilities that comes about as content creators. And the main topic that I'm going to talk about is, as a content creator, is copyright infringement. That comes up a whole lot in different areas of being content creators. So I'm gonna give you three scenarios or three case studies on copyright infringements, what happened and how they solve their problems, and how I give my input on not to get involved or be aware of not to do these steps. So let's get ready and go! See, okay, for the first case study is called The Ultimate Copyright Battle between Michelle Phan and Ultra Records. All right, so in this case right here, Michelle Phan was being sued by Ultra Records because she used a plethora of their songs in her YouTube videos, and she was making a lot of money from it. So Ultra Records said that she didn't have permission to use none of their songs in her videos. So Ultra Records sued Michelle Phan for $125,000 for each infringement, which they had 50 cases on her. And what happened was they settled out in court for an undisclosed amount of money. And the takeaway from this is, say if you use someone's music in your videos, you have to get their permission. But in order to get their permission, you will have to contact somebody in the management deal, dealing with the record label or the artist, and you have to get permission in writing. So if you don't get permission, but in writing, they can come back in the future and say that they didn't give you permission, but make sure you have permission. All right, for the second case right here, this is called personal attack on Paul Davis. He got a copyright strike on his own music. Paul Davis, which is known for his YouTube tutorials on YouTube. So for this case study right here, Paul Davis got a strike on one of his songs that he created because another YouTuber came back and took his music and did a remix on it, and YouTube flagged Paul Davis. But what happened was Paul Davis didn't say nothing. So all of the revenue that Paul Davis was getting for his song was going towards this YouTuber. But like, even though that Paul Davis created this song and the rights to the song was his, the takeaway from this whole scenario is that when you create anything, music, artwork, and it's yours, you get a copyright from it. So if Paul Davis would have got a copyright like for this music here, then this never would have had taken place. So be smart and always get a copyright for your music. Thirdly, is it could happen to you. In this case study right here, back in 2019, Mr. Beast got flagged for one of his videos called 100 Million Orbeez in My Friend's Backyard. And during this video, like, his friends were singing a song by Bon Jovi, In a Need of Prayer. There was no music, there was no tunes or nothing. Like, they were just singing it. Mr. Beast's video got flagged for it. And which a song with something like that, but it's up in the air. But when it comes to money, these labels have ways always try to get paid. So Mr. Beast got flagged for it, and what he had to do was take down a video, edit out the singing part of his friends singing that song, but then upload the video. So as YouTubers, what we need to be careful for, but any legal liabilities is that with the songs that we sing, be careful on what we sing or say music wise in our videos, because these record labels and the artists, they want to get paid for the music because they created it. So like in conclusion, as content creators, we must always be careful of legal liabilities in any kind of way. So see you next time on Food for the Soul, baby. Booyah!